At Salem Elementary School, a lot of growing is taking place. Young minds are learning something new each day, and now plants, fruits, and vegetables are growing this fall season. Salem Elementary School students spent the day learning what it's like to garden, building the school's first learning garden. Everything from getting their hands dirty, loosening soil, to making delicious plant-based meals thanks to the Ohio State University's Mobile Education Kitchen. Volunteers from the American Heart Association, State Auto Insurance, and the James Cancer Hospital were on hand to teach students about healthy living and the benefits of farm-to-table eating.
We really just love to teach kids at a young age about healthy eating, staying active for a heart-healthy life.
Broccoli, collard greens, and lettuce are just a few of the vegetables that were planted in the learning garden located in the front of the school so students can see their hard work grow. Parent Nick Gore says he couldn't be more excited about today.
Every aspect of what's happening today is remarkable.
Nick's two sons attend Salem Elementary School. As the owner of a farm-to-table Neapolitan wood-fire pizza restaurant called Gourmet Pizza, Nick says it's important that children are educated on what they are consuming and how it grows.
My favorite vegetable is a cucumber.
What I want to do the most is taste the vegetables. And what I want to do is plant the vegetables.
That's awesome. I think it's important for children to understand that they can go to a plant, take something off of it, and consume it and be kept alive by that.
Nick also teaches his children about growing fresh produce at home.
We grow strawberries, raspberries, golden raspberries, blackberries, plums, apricots.
Lifelong lessons and establishing healthy habits are the goals here at Salem Elementary.